Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Custom Auto Sound, the originator of classic car, OE and Fit radio since 1977. Steel Rubber Products, quality crafted rubber parts and weather stripping. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. And by Tribotex, make your engine last longer.
You know, we've seen how Tribotex can do amazing things for all vehicles, but Pasha, that's not what you set out to research when you developed Tribotex, was it?
We looked at the applications of safe materials in hip implants. If you know, the teeth and hips have completely different applications. Teeth as hard as you can get, and hips is a very soft, special material that usually outlasts teeth in a normal person. The miracle of that cartilage material gave us an insight what we can do to bring it to other applications, like industrial ones. We bought drive cars, was fixing cars, working on all applications, performance, advanced ones. So when you can feel a difference in the car, that really sparks your attention.
What was it like when you thought, oh my gosh, I can use this in my vehicle?
Actually, it was opposite. We used in the vehicle and see, wow, it really works, and showed dramatic results. The vehicle got quieter right away, and then when we build up the film over time, we saw improvement in performance, gain over time, and then we started to actually drift all research toward how we can make that vehicle application by far better and growing. And it has become part of our culture, just vehicle applications.
Well, vehicle applications, Brian, you're a pro at this.
Yeah.
You've got a number of vehicles. You've used them, including a race vehicle. It's pretty unusual.
I mean, it's a Toyota Prius. It's not necessarily considered a race vehicle, but I race it off-road in the Gambler 500. It's a lot of fun, and I actually ran out of oil in one of my races by breaking the oil pan, and the Tribotex protected metal on metal wear.
And Tribotex is perfect for vehicles like that you want to go and go and go.
Yeah, I use it around the house. I use it in my lawnmower, my motorcycle, and I got a little outboard boat that I use it in as well.
It's very clear, and people can rest assured, you guys won't put this in your own car unless it works. So, you know, I'm not going to put something in my car that doesn't work. And the thing I like is all you guys are racers and car people, and that really extends through the whole company, doesn't it, Pasha?
Yes, even if you call our receptionist, Jacqueline, when she picks up the phone, people say, oh, I want to talk to somebody who knows about car, and her answer is, yes, you can talk to me. I'm a certified diesel mechanic.
She's a diesel mechanic.
Yep.
Even the receptionist is a certified diesel tech here at Tribotex. So give them a call, check out their website. You know they're car people, and they're going to give you what's right for your car. Check them out at tribotex.com.
Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
All right, folks, true story. Last week, a fan of the show flagged me down, saw me, and asked me, hey, what about the Magic Creeper? I see that on the show. Is it really good? Do I want to get one? I said, absolutely. We really do use it all the time. We use it here in our studio when we're working on cars for the show or even for our own use. I rotated my tires last week. I used it as a kneeling pad for that. If we need to get under the vehicle for any reason, if the lifts are taken, then we grab the Magic Creeper and we use it. We also use it on our mobile production truck when we need to get some wiring underneath. We take it with us everywhere we go. All of us here at the show also take the Magic Creeper home. In fact, my wife uses it when she's gardening. Again, a kneeling pad. It keeps her clean, keeps her up out of the wet soil. I've used it for hardwood floors and under the sink. That's like the hardest place to work. It's always uncomfortable. The Magic Creeper lets you slide in and out of there, and it's not so uncomfortable on your back. Scott, he's one of our utilities and our operations guys, and he's always working on some vehicle at home, also here in the shop, and he takes a Magic Creeper with him wherever he goes. And we all have one in our vehicles as well, because of course you can't take a traditional creeper in your car with you. The Magic Creeper rolls right up and it goes right under your seat or in your trunk, and you can take it everywhere you go. The traditional creeper has wheels. It won't go on rough floors, and forget it if you're out on gravel by the side of the road. If you've got some kind of emergency, the Magic Creeper rolls over all of that. You'll never even notice. You can run over tools and rocks and roots and grass, and the Magic Creeper gets dirty. You will not. It is perfect if you're a shade tree mechanic. You want to work outside, work in the yard. The Magic Creeper will go anywhere you want to take it. I always keep the Magic Creeper handy when I'm going car hunting. You want to take a look underneath the vehicle, make sure there's no rust, make sure that's the car for you. The Magic Creeper keeps you clean and you don't have to worry about getting your work clothes dirty checking out a vehicle. MagicCreeper.com is the only place to get the authentic Magic Creeper. It is an American company. It's a woman-owned company. So shop small, patronize an American company. Check them out online. Get the original Magic Creeper. Well, thanks for wheeling with us here on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. We're glad you came along for the ride, and we're going to do it again next week, so we hope you're with us then, too. In the meantime, you can check us out on our Facebook page, drop us a line, let us know how we're doing, and you can email Jeff at masterstv.com if you have a product you want to see featured on our show. Until next week, from our entire crew, we will see you same time, same sandbox. So long.